The 240W USB-C cable is the latest breakthrough in USB power delivery, designed to handle up to 240 watts of power. It's an upgraded version of the common 60W and 100W cables, meaning one cable can replace all your chargers. Whether you need 60W or up to 180W, this cable adapts seamlessly. Just pair it with the right power adapter. What sets this cable apart is its blazing fast power delivery. With a 48 volts 5A output, it easily powers demanding devices like gaming laptops without breaking a sweat. Say goodbye to mid-game power worries and hello to uninterrupted performance wherever you are. Safety is a priority here. The cable features a smart e-marker chip that intelligently matches your device's power needs. Plus, built-in 56 kilo-ohms resistors ensure smooth, stable charging while protecting your gadgets from electrical damage. It's a cable that works hard to keep your devices safe. Compatibility won't hold you back either. This 240W USB-C cable works with a wide range of devices, from the latest 2022 MacBook Pro and Samsung Galaxy phones to iPad Pro tablets, Nintendo Switch, and even Steam Deck. While it supports data transfer at USB 2.0 speeds, 480 megabits per second, it's perfect for quick file transfers like a 1 GB movie in just 30 seconds. Durability is built into every inch. The cable's aluminum housing and nylon braiding protect it from wear and tear, while the 250D fiber core withstands over 20,000 bends without splitting. Its tangle-free design means you can easily store it without fuss, making it a reliable companion on the go. Users across the United States have praised this cable for delivering exactly what it promises. With high-quality construction and support for power up to 150W and beyond, it offers great value at a reasonable price. It's a dependable choice for anyone looking to upgrade their charging setup. If you're tired of juggling multiple chargers and want a single cable that covers all your devices, the 240W USB-C cable is worth a look. It combines power, safety, and durability in one sleek package, making your charging experience simpler and more efficient. Try it when you're ready to power up faster and smarter. This cable is a solid investment for anyone who demands reliable, high-speed charging without compromise.